Anyway, moving on. What else do we have? Other tech news. We do have more tech news. Today's just themed that way. I wanted to see what's new with ChatGPT 5. What did they even add? What's better? Elon says it's mogged by Grok. Also, dude, this guy literally looks like the main character in that Pixar movie about the feelings, about your emotions being, or no. The Elements movie. Pixar, or is it DreamWorks? Elements movie. Elemental? Dude, he literally looks like the dude in that movie. Have you seen this? Look at him. Except he's gay and doesn't have like an Asian wife. But do you see his face? Right? Like, I'm not crazy. Dude, it's him. That's literally him. Even the hair. Okay, anyway.
Good morning. 32 months ago, we launched ChatGPT. And since then, it has become the default way that people use AI. In that first week, 1 million people tried it out. And we thought that was pretty incredible. But now, about 700 million people use ChatGPT every week and increasingly rely on it to work, to learn, for advice, to create, and much more. Today, finally, we're launching GPT-5. GPT-5 is a major upgrade over GPT-4 and a significant step along our path to AGI. Now, today, we're going to show you some incredible demos. We'll talk about some performance metrics, but the important point is this. We think you will love using GPT-5 much more than any previous AI.
Dude, he shouldn't be presenting it. Honestly. Like, there's something off about this.
It is useful.
Also, why is there low-key background noise in this video? Like, shouldn't they be able to have good audio?
It is smart, it is fast, and it's intuitive. GPT-3 was sort of like talking to a high school student. There were flashes of brilliance, lots of annoyance, but people started to use it and get some value out of it. With GPT-4, maybe it was like
the
talking
set
to a
does
college
look
student.
nice. I do like
real
the set
intelligence,
a lot.
real utility.
Actually, really a lot.
But with GPT-5, now it's like talking to an expert, a legitimate PhD level expert in anything, any area you need on demand that can help you with whatever your goals are. And we are very excited that you'll get to try this. But it's not only asking now. GPT-5 can also do stuff for you. It can write an entire computer program from scratch to help you with whatever you'd like. And we think this idea of software on demand is going to be one of the defining characteristics of the GPT-5 era. It can help you plan a party, send invitations, order supplies. It can help you understand your healthcare and make decisions on your journey.
I just test this. ChatGPT. Wait, why is it only on my phone? Wait, I only have ChatGPT on my fucking phone? Hey, why is it not calling me warrior? Dude, refresh. Call me warrior. Hey, what's on your mind, warrior? Where the fuck is my ChatGPT 5? It's on my phone. If I start, give me ideas for a computer program. Stream overlay manager. Tab cleaner. Closes duplicate browser tabs. Audio ducking for streamers. Smart screenshot tool. Auto blur sensitive info. Folder time machine. Okay, wait. Make me a smart screenshot tool. Can it just do this? Can I have it if I'm asking on my phone? Will it just do this? Make that for me. I've used the Gemini one. It's pretty good. Like, you can have it integrated to your command prompt so it can use your entire computer and write shit on your computer. It's pretty good for fixing stuff on your computer, or if like you have crazy errors or something, or you want to change a bunch of things or whatever. But it has a lot of limitations. Crazy limitations. Hey, wait, is it writing this? Did it put this in my sidebar? Can I see my ChatGPT 5 chat? Okay. Yeah, I can. Wait, analysis paused? Oh, I shouldn't have opened it up on my browser. Whoops. Okay, let's go back to this.
It can provide you information to learn about any topic you'd like, and much more. This is an incredible superpower on demand that would have been unimaginable at any previous time in history. You get access to an entire team of PhD-level experts in your pocket, helping you with whatever you want to do. And anyone, pretty soon, will be able to do more than anyone in history could. So today, we're going to talk about GPT-5. We'll show you some upgrades to ChatGPT, and we'll talk about the API. GPT-5 is great for a lot of things, but we think it's going to be an especially important moment for businesses.
It didn't even make the program.
And we're very excited to see what they're going to build with this new technology.
What the fuck?
So we can't wait for you all to start building this. We hope you enjoy it as much as we enjoyed building it for you.
Wait, no, it did make the tool.
Start, I'm going to hand it over to my colleague Mark, our Chief Research Officer, to tell you about GPT-5. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mark, and I'm joined by Max, who leads the post-training team, and Renee from our engineering team. Over the past few years, OpenAI has spearheaded the reasoning paradigm. These are models which pause to think before delivering more intelligent responses. Now, reasoning is at the heart of our AGI program, and it underlies the technology that we use to ship stuff like ChatGPT Agent and deep research. GPT-5 aims to bring this breakthrough to everyone. Until now, our users have had to pick between the fast responses of standard GPTs or the slow, more thoughtful responses from our reasoning models. But GPT-5, it eliminates this choice. It aims to think just the perfect amount to give you the perfect answer. Now, something like this takes a lot of hard work. We've had to do a lot of research to make GPT-5 the most powerful, the most smart, the fastest, the most reliable, and the most robust reasoning model that we've shipped to date. Today,
Gemini has tech support. Dude, Gemini is so... Look at this. You want to see something insane? PowerShell, run as admin. Look at this. Look at this. Gemini. Give it a second. And then you can just have it do anything. I mean, you can... Right here, I can just ask it a question like... Explain how I could install a smart screenshot tool that auto blurs sensitive details. That's like what the ChatGPT for. It's in here. And then the cool thing about this though is basically you can give it access to folders. It's a little limited, but you can give it access to folders, especially in the system, and it will automatically edit things, write things, change things. Like I was using this with Mantella when we were... Actually, I don't know if I was. It would be really useful with Mantella. When I was doing the Skyrim stuff, it could do this because I've had it update things and write things. And it's like you can, if it's having an error, you can explain the error to it, tell it to fix it, show it where the program or whatever is, and then it will go and just change it for you and save it and change it and edit it. Then you can test it and then give it feedback, tell it if it's working or not. Always allow. It's installing share and installing a bunch of things. It's right now installing something that it needed to be able to do that. Looks like the installation with Winget requires you to accept the terms of the Microsoft Store source. This is a one-time step for Winget. You can either install Winget ShareX in your own terminal or accept the terms. Wait, can I accept the terms in here? Okay, see, this is where it's limited. It's like it has to It has to get, you know, your permission or whatever. You have to agree to the terms of service for this. So it's like I would have to go do that myself because it just can't. But that's it being limited. But it really is installed on the computer, and it can like look in folders and find files for you and things like that. It's so annoying though, the way that they limit it, because of privacy. They think I don't want it to look through my entire computer. I absolutely want it to be able to look through my entire computer. Like, why would I don't give a fuck. Find me anything I want.
We're going to show a series of demos in coding, in writing, in learning, and in health. But GPT-5 isn't limited to these domains. It's very useful in all cases where you require deep reasoning or expert level knowledge, in things like math, in physics, even in things like law. And the exciting thing is, we're excited to make this available to everyone, even to our free tier. After we show our demos, we're going to be talking about how GPT-5 supercharges our ChatGPT app and our API. We believe that GPT-5 is the best coding model on the market today. To start, let's have Max talk a little bit about the benchmarks and how the models stack up.
Yeah, thanks, Mark. So as Mark said, we think GPT-5 is by far our smartest model ever. So let's start by talking through some evals.
Dude, why do
now,
they all got
evals
something insane
aren't
going
everything,
on?
and they don't tell you
Can we get
everything
onto the
about a model,
Asian lady,
but
please?
they can highlight its intelligence.
Okay.
The best part
Now we're
is that we're
talking.
bringing this frontier
Now I'm paying
intelligence
attention.
to
Oh.
all users.
It was better on the side, but
GPT-5
it's
is
okay.
rolling out
But that's okay.
today for free plus pro and team users. And next week, we'll roll it out to enterprise and EDU. For the first time, our
You
most
see what I'm saying? The side profile is like a 10, but the base,
advanced model
the
will be
head-on's like a
available to the
6.
free tier. For users, we'll start with GPT-5, and when they hit their limit, they'll transition to GPT-5 Mini, a smaller but still
Chinese
highly
skull.
capable model. It actually outperforms O3 on many dimensions. Plus users will still have significantly higher usage than free users, and our pro subscribers will get unlimited GPT-5, along with GPT-5 Pro, extended thinking.
I would drag my
for
balls
even more
across
detailed
broken
and
glass.
reliable response when you just need that extra
drooling
depth.
all over himself. That's a San Francisco
team-
10. That is, to be fair, that is a San Francisco 10. That's true. Dude, the San Francisco bitches are chopped. What is going on with that? Seriously, shouldn't they be like the hottest bitches in the world? Like, they got all the money. The fuck?
Enterprise and EDU customers can also use GPT-5 reliably as their default model for everyday work, with generous rate limits that enable entire organizations to use GPT-5. And all the tools you already know, search, file and image upload, data analysis with Python, Canvas, image generation, memory, custom instructions.
The
they'll
hot
all
ones are in
just work
Berkeley. That's
on
true.
GPT-5.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Max. Thank you so much, Rennie. We've just seen a lot about how the model stacks up in terms of benchmarks, but there's nothing quite like seeing it live.
Yeah, what are they gonna do?
Wait, I may
Holy see, but she mogs that. Like, that's scary.
need some help with that too. So you could why airplanes are the shit. GPT-5, but it still gives me a high quality answer
insane.
and explains the concept clearly. So here it says like Bernoulli effect means like faster moving fluid has lower pressure and slowing moving
lower
fluid
pressure.
has higher pressure.
Still cracking?
So
That's
to make
crazy.
this even more
That's
helpful,
insane.
I'm going to ask
This is the girl who
GPT-5
actually made
to
it. Yeah,
create a
true.
moving demo to
True.
illustrate this.
He looks
So
like
I
a
could
caricature of a
ask,
Chinese person.
explain
That's
this
true.
in detail.
Holy shit, that's
and
true.
create a moving SVG in the Canvas tool to show me. This is a pretty complex task because now GPT-5 actually needs to build the visual. Therefore, GPT-5 takes a moment to think through the answer so you can come back with something more comprehensive and accurate.
Wait. Is this ChatGPT 5? Can I use, please talk to me. I need ChatGPT 5 first. ChatGPT 5, hello? There. Make me moving ASCII movie of the solar system that I can run in command. Holy shit, can it do this? Can it do this? Of the solar system. Pog? Can we get a quick paw? It's thinking, it's analyzing, it's looking into it. We getting out the distant right with this one. Done, here. Open it. Okay, wait, download it. Give this to downloads. Okay. Do open command prompt. Okay. PD downloads Python folder I. Wait, what? It's a little underwhelming. Make it way more complex. Make each planet ASCII art. You can make it run in PowerShell if you need. The issue here too is I don't think my system, for some reason, I don't have the emojis for these other planets. So we only have the male and female. We have Venus and I don't even remember which one that is. What planet sign is that? Mercury? No, not even Mercury. That's... I don't even know. Mars, maybe? Is it happening? Upgraded. Here's complex. Don't use Unicode planet symbols. Make it be big, colorful object that look like planet. Like planets. But let's see what it made, shall we? Still going.
Jet Set Radio.
Tommy Wu sent
Thank you, Stummy.
$5, Jimbo.
Yeah.
It's International Cat Day. Woo, woohoo. Happy
Oh,
Cat Day, everyone.
Happy Cat Day.
Pet a cat today. Go PSS to every cat you see. Woo.
Administrateur
一
闪了都不容易，你搞掂他。
whole thing. Thank you, Stummy. Sorry, I was trying to get this to work. Okay, let's see. Did it do this? Ah. Have a joyous pussy, everyone. Pussy day. Okay, here's its more complex version of this. How's the command prompt one going? Whoops.
Yeah, you got it.
Is this even accurate? Like, why is the sun moving? You know what I mean? Colorful ass. Restart this PowerShell. PowerShell run as admin.
Administrateur.
It's a full-time job and it's extremely time-consuming and it's not as easy as it may appear to some people.
Wait, sorry, I wasn't looking. Wait, I need to watch this video. Sorry, you donated this. My bad. And it's fun. Accurate according to the flat Earth model. Okay.
Oh! Bring me
the letter. Good boy. Thank you.
Dude, it still doesn't understand, but it's now rotating around the sun at least. Let's let it cook a little bit. Somi album sampler. Thank you for the 5. Big shout out. I appreciate it. Wait, this one's actually better.
I sent $5 Somi album sampler.
It still didn't really draw the planets out correctly, though. Wait, draw complex ASCII art in PowerShell of a Pepe the Frog standing in the rain, with the rain falling being the moving part. Let's see. Can it do it? This is the Somi album sampler. All right, well, we listen. Okay, so this one's accurate. Mars, Venus, Earth. Wait, is that? Yeah. Yeah, now. Yeah, well. Mars is hitting the sun. Uh-oh. Okay, let's see. Can it do this? Open another PowerShell. On this admin. Dude, that does not look like Pepe. The fucky? Yo, that did not look like Pepe. Make it colorful SE art, and also make it just the zoomed out Pepe standing in the rain. Also make it big picture and complex and beautiful. Yeah, work harder. I don't even see the Pepe face there. Is it like sideways or something? How is that even Pepe? What the fucky? What the fuggy? You don't call it stupid. Maybe attach a picture of Pepe with it? No. No. Do better, Clanker. Come on, guys. Let's not use slurs. Learning to model the universe. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Where's Pluto? Where the fuck is Pluto? Forgot Pluto. But don't forget about Pluto. Rain stopped. Okay, wait. Is this the new one? Okay. That's Pepe? Okay. Do it again, except make it look like Pepe the Frog. Not just a bad guy. Kind of creepy. Dude, look. Why is it like getting greener as it goes down? It just says Pepe. So funny. Literally just says Pepe. Have ChatGPT make a fun little quiz game about Nick Fuentes, dumbass wireback POS. Pluto ain't even a planet no more. Poor Pluto. Give Sam Altman access to my entire PC to draw ASCII Pepe art in console based. No, I don't even have ChatGPT installed. I mean, I don't think you can do that. You can only have the... I have Gemini installed, which is the other one. I think Bill Gates has full access to my computer. Okay. Alright, is it overhyping this to me, or gonna be able to do this? Please? Oh, it's taking a long time to download. Maybe it's a bigger file? There's no Pepe. It forgot the Pepe. Where the fuck is the Pepe? That's just rain. You forgot my Pepe. All right, it's not that good. To be fair, I am asking it to make moving ASCII art. And I don't know if it's really trained to do that. I don't know if anyone does that. The only ASCII art that I even know of that moves is like the Matrix falling shit.
What's really nice is that you don't need to remember to turn on thinking each time. GPT-5 will do it for you automatically whenever the task benefits from deeper reasoning. If you really want to make sure that GPT-5 uses thinking, you can either say something like, think hard about this in the prompt to guide the model, or if you're a paid user, you can choose the GPT-5 thinking model from the model picker. Now you can see that the model
True,
is
Mr.
actually
Chubby
writing
Frog.
the
I think that's
front-end
the
code to
takeaway.
build the demo I asked for. So Christina, have you ever done some front-end coding before?
Yeah, actually the last time I touched any front-end coding was about 3 years ago for the first demo of ChatGPT.
Wow, so it's the first ChatGPT. That's where it all begins. Tell us more about it.
It wasn't even called ChatGPT then. I think it was called Chat with GPT.
That's a really good name.
Always good at naming. But I'm not a front-end expert, and I really hadn't touched front-end in quite a while, so it took me quite a bit of time to get the React app up.
I see. That's a lot of
Okay,
work.
what's...
So
is there a
how long did
highlight
it
reel
take
of
you
this?
to
What
build
the fuck
something
are they
like
talking
that?
about?
Honestly, maybe embarrassing to
Nerd ass.
But the good part is that you don't need to understand any of that right now. So we'll just let it through. Maybe we can check the other tabs. Oh,
wow.
So I can simply press run code. So I'll do that and cross my fingers.
Okay, let's try Nick's.
Whoa.
Oh,
the
nice.
capital
I
city guessing game. Hold on, let's see. What is the capital? Dude. The fuck is this? Give it an insane user interface and make it awesome and make it use pictures and make it ASCII. No, sorry. Make it really complex and maybe add in some ABGs. If you win. If that's not okay, then don't add those, but just finish the task. I understand. Okay. Try again. Let's see. Like, that's it? Seriously? Dude, don't make it in PowerShell. Does it still think... Oh, wait. It's thinking I'm saying in PowerShell. That's the issue. Not in PowerShell. I forgot to say that. Not in PowerShell. I don't care about using it in like a... like a command prompt. Tell it to run in a web browser? Yeah, I need to make it HTML. Hold on. And it can be in HTML or on a browser or whatever would work the best. Doesn't need to be on Python or PowerShell or command prompt. Tell it to use 3JS. What is that? What's 3JS? Don't forget the secret sauce, Jimbo. Wait, now it's writing it out like this. What the fucky? Okay, it's happening. Okay. Are those the only countries it's doing? That's not all the countries. Set timeout. Pick question 1000. Window on load equal pick question. You gonna add the ABGs or? Do you know what that means? Got it, dude. It was. Think about who it was coded by. It's gotta know that. Was it done? Yeah, on the left side, it's telling me. Just say the word. Your browser-based, fully styled, picture-enhanced capital city guesser is complete. It includes neon glow UI, random geography questions, fireworks style animated windscreen. Give me notepad. Save to downloads as in HTML, right? Capital Caster HTML. Okay. What is the capital of Nigeria? If you don't get it right, nothing happens. Hello? The right answer. I don't even know. Nigeria. Abuja. It doesn't. Okay. So it doesn't work when you answer the question. Jimbo, press run code? What do you mean press run code? Oh wait, I can do it in the browser? Or in this? Oh, run code. What? Run your coding can. It has it built in? That's insane. Okay, that's game changer. That's fucking crazy. You're saying I don't have to save this every time and then open it? Pronounced like pizzeria? That's crazy. Need some feedback prompts? As your chatter, I find this unacceptable. This is not what we asked for. 3JS is a 3D renderer for the browser. It's what's hip nowadays. Oh, wait. Okay, so I should say make this in 3JS. But what's it going to... Is it going to make 3D models? Is it even going to be able to do that? You couldn't even make ASCII art. Run code. Allow selected. Allow. Loading. Happening? Run code. Loading. Okay. Cannot preview code. Fix bug. Okay, it's broken as fuck. All right, back to this.
So we have a nice website. Name is Midnight in Paris.
Oh, I love
together.
that.
So romantic.
We also see a few tabs: flashcards, quiz, and mouse and cheese, exactly like I asked for. I will play that. So this says Le Chat, which says.
Hold on. Hold up. Here's an idea. What if... Fresh real quick. Time. Write me a super ultra detailed prompt for a crazy HTML web app or crazy web app that I can use for capital city guesser game and make it have insane features I've never even thought of. Mind blown emoji. Oh, okay, never mind. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Huh? Okay, if this doesn't work, we're moving on. Sorry. All right, if this doesn't work, we'll move on. Please make me happy. Here's a super ultra detailed prompt for an AI or developer to build a next gen, over the top, capital city guesser web app packed with wild features, advanced gamification, and bleeding edge design. You can use this as input for a dev team. No, I'm gonna use this on you, you silly goose. Yeah. Make it really hard. Make this an AI game host? Holy shit, it's really getting extra insane stretch goals. Country builder mode, where you build your own fictional country. Yeah. Okay, now build this. Okay, now let me make a new ChatGPT 5 prompt real quick on my phone. Hey. Wait, refresh. Okay, here we are. Here we go. The future is now. Project Capital City Guesser GeoShock. Web app boilerplate. React plus Tailwind plus 3JS plus Firebase. Starter file structure. Public assets. Flags, icons, backgrounds. Main component ideas. Deception mode. AI host. Stars. Dude, if it delivers on this, that's insane. Okay. Web app blueprint loaded. Capital City Guesser GeoShock. All systems primed for a cyberpunk geography espionage showdown. Here's what I can do next. Build a working prototype. Yeah, build it now. Build it. Stage 1, base web app, skeleton, React, Byte, Tailwind, React app structure, routing for game modes, neon cyberpunk theme. Ugh. Please don't do that. Should have specified not cyberpunk. I guess it said that. Say the word and I'll ship phase 1. Do it! The fuck are you... Do it! Activate deception mode. What was this? Uses fake country generator. Chance percentage in it. Okay. Continents equal levels. Countries unlocked equal progress. Fog of war. 3JS shader overlay or CSS mask. Main component ideas. Shows campaign map. Multiplayer portal. Deep lore. Game screen. Handles guessing UI. Timer. Question response. Bomb timer. Animated countdown bomb for time bomb mode. Download your full React plus Tailwind Cyberpunk Capital City Guesser starter project here. How to run. Oh, wait. It's because I'm still in this. Wait, what? Restart powers. Oh, no, it's 'cause I have to download it. I'm stupid ass. Duh. Didn't even download it. Goofy ass. But I just wanted to run in this. Write it all in ChatGPT window and make it so I can run it using the run code button. Thank you very much. Okay, here we go. City, capital city guesser app. Here we are. You gonna be able to do this? Me watching Jimbo activate bomb mode. The time bomb thing's crazy. Wants to make sure you're absolutely on board before it drains all electricity from Africa. Yeah, it's gotta be like we've now drained 3 lakes, developing the most insane capital city guesser web app ever. Do you want us to continue? Are you sure? Copy and paste the following into an HTML file. Wait, what? I'm ready. Keep building in the code so I can just hit run code and see it. Keep going. Keep on. I'm sure. I'm certain. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm sure. Drain it. Drain that shit. Glorified fucking toaster. Why does it keep just stopping? Hello, I'm sure. I said I'm sure. Part of this, don't you understand? Make that shit. Yeah, here we go. Yeah. The font family courier new. Time bomb mode. Timer seconds. What is the capital of? Time bomb mode is activated. Hit run code to see it in action. Okay, installing packages. Error. React DOM is not defined. Done. Initializing environment. It's just broken. We just drained the lake. The main lake of 3 African nations. Not even working. Is it gonna work? Initialize the environment. I know it's the most insane game ever, but please initialize the environment. Stop. Okay, it's patching the code. Don't worry, guys. It's updating now. What's their thing? They have the chat?
Le chat. Well, that's pretty good pronunciation.
What does that mean?
The cat.
Oh.
So I can reveal and check if GPT-5 is correct.
Dude, is he rizzing up the Asian girls live?
It is.
On this?
So if I press next... Oh, I don't...
Very nice of AI to always ask for consent. You fucking incels could learn a thing or two, says LD Nat. True.
If you saw, I think it actually updated the progress bar.
Jimby,
which is
what?
exactly what I
What's
had.
this? What did you just link? Knitter.post. It just sounds like it's a slur. Charlie Kirk turns pale and absolutely abruptly shuts down his live stream after TPUSA chapter president asks whether he would debate Nick Fuentes. Yo.
As a TPUSA chapter founder and president, I've seen firsthand how the tide is turning among young conservatives. I say, if you truly believe in open debate in the marketplace of ideas, will you ever be willing to debate Nick Fuentes, or will you wait until his movement forces you to adopt his talking points, as we've seen already?
You know, it's funny. I personally do not give a platform to bad faith actors.
Oh.
And I had a whole open about this. And by the way, a really important thing is not to lie and to not bear false testimony. It's fine. I'll answer your question. You know, you said, oh, you know, I want to have a question about Turning Point events. And you obviously lied about your question. Doesn't surprise me because you have deceit. But you know what? Honestly, I'm asked that question all the time. I don't platform trolls. And I don't platform and I don't discuss people or I don't debate with people that are not good faith actors. And
dude, he's so pressed. He's literally seething. And he knows that he can't seethe because everyone's watching it. And it's like, that's hilarious. And that's like giving us what we want. Like, this is, I don't even actually care about him debating Nick at all. Who the fuck cares at this point, right? I just want to watch him seethe. And he's doing it, but he can't even help it. He knows that he shouldn't, but he can't help.
They can keep on yelling at how successful we are and our big events and well over 1,000 employees, but
they're all fans of him. But
we build.
But that's not the point.
We succeed. We win. They blame the Jews. Thank you. Next question.
We win. They blame the Jews. We build things. Dude, I'm building something right now. Hello? I'm making the most insane capital city guesser of all fucking time. All right? What have you done? Huh? I'm having it patched so it can run whatever natively in the canvas, dude. You fucking idiot. You don't even know what that means. You even know about the canvas? He doesn't even know. Bro doesn't even know. Thousands of employees. Crash? Look around you, Crafts. Just say no to demon trolls. He must be stopped. Okay, is it breaking? And I'm just not seeing it break? Or what's going on right now? I like restart this. Run code. Should I let it cook? Is it just like that insane of a game? Oh. Syntax error. Unexpected token. Fix bug. Oh, I can say fix bug. Hey, there's a bug. Fix it. Dude, I'm coding right now. Hello? I'm literally creating right now. Would a troll do this? Would a demon troll do this? He deleted the stream right after that? There's no way, dude. Make a game about becoming a master pickup artist. Ooh, dude. Niles has the ideas. Pickup artist game. Is it fixing it? Wait, it's like fucked up the browser. How I have to. Why is it right there? Hello? Fucking work, dog. Please. Fixed. This version is now proper JSX meant for React build environment like Code Sandbox, Byte, Create React Apps, Stack Blitz. It uses proper import statements. Avoids the babble. Run it again. Okay. We got another error immediately. Hello? Dude, how many lakes have we drained and it won't even run? It won't even start. How many oceans have we gone through so far? Do we have water left? ChatGPT, I just want an insane capital city guesser game. This is retarded because even if it got it right, it's in like a cyberpunk style, which would just be horrible. It would just be atrocious. Ugly. Make a game where you have to become a master rapist that never gets caught. Ferret cash ass stream. What happened to the Trump game? The Trump game? What was the Trump game? Clear console. Run code. Build failed with one error. Dude, come the fuck on! Hello? Do you even give a total shit? Bro, does it even care? Does it even fucking care? Why are these ones not green? Did it mess up? I'm noticing that only one of those is green. Did it just fuck up something? Dude, it's already got another error, you fucking idiot. Unexpected token? Run syntax error. Unexpected token 1. Oh, dude, it's gonna use all my ChatGPT fucking, usage. It's gonna be like, sorry, you've used too much. You've drained too many oceans. The world can't sustain your development of this game. You have to take it out of Jeep mode? How do I take it out of Jeep mode? If you think about it, Sam Altman should have made a better model. That's true. Can't even make a time bomb mode without it breaking everything. Oh my gosh, it has another error. Anyway.
Asked for?
Anything else? Did they add anything that actually works?
Found out about the first diagnosis when I got an email notification that my biopsy results.
What, did ChatGPT fucking diagnose you with cancer? Is that what you're saying? You kidding me?
Were ready. I decided to open it, and when I opened it, I saw the only 2 words that I could understand from the report, which was invasive carcinoma, and I knew that wasn't good, but everything else was just a blur of medical jargon. So I completely panicked, and in that moment did the first thing that I thought of, which was to take a screenshot of the report and put it into ChatGPT to see if it could just help me understand what this meant. And within seconds, it translated this complex report into plain.
Couldn't ChatGPT 4 do that? Like, why is this an ad for GPT 5? Couldn't ChatGPT 2 do that?
Language.
That's just, it knows what the words mean. Like.
This year, we've released great coding models like GPT 4.
Okay, wait. Did it finish? Did it finish this? Dude. Dude, it's not working. Hello, it's not. You're not working. Hello, it's not fucking working. Dude. Dude, it just broke it worse. It just doesn't even work at all. Not usable. Why does it just not even work at all? Oh, well, can you redo all of it so it works in the run code area? Yeah.
1 and 03. But GPT-5 sets a whole new standard. It is the best model at agentic coding tasks. You can ask it to go and accomplish something very complicated, and it'll go off and it'll work on it. It'll call many tools. It'll work for many minutes at a time, sometimes even longer,
just do that
to accomplish your goal, your instruction, your task, whatever it is that you're trying to build. It's incredible at front end.
Please use all my tokens on a game that won't work.
Visualizations and interactive games, and you've seen some of this in the live stream so far, and you'll see some more upcoming. But it's just really amazing to see whatever you imagine coming to life. It's extremely good at instruction following, very detailed instructions, being able to accomplish, when you have something very vaguely specified, inferring your intent, or something very detailed specified, actually following it.
Don't care.
The model wrap its outputs in JSON. And this works super well when the model needs to output a few parameters. But sometimes, developers are pushing our models to their limits, and they have extremely long arguments for tool calls. And it can be more challenging for the models to escape, valid control characters out of 100 lines of code in JSON. And that's why
at least we know these bitches are actually working on this shit, huh? Because they are just busted. That's crazy.
Thank you, Michelle. As Michelle was saying, the benchmarks, they're exciting numbers, but we're starting to saturate them. Like when you're moving between 98 and 99% in some benchmark, it means you need something else to really capture how great the model is. And one thing we've done very differently with this model is really focus on not just these numbers, but really on real world application, it being really useful to you in your daily workflow. So hearing about it is much less exciting than seeing it. So to show you this model in action, I'd like to welcome Addie and Brian to the stage.
What model?
Thanks, Greg. I'm Brian, a solutions architect on the startups team.
I'm Adi, a researcher on the post-training team.
Okay, is there a highlight? Seriously, is there a highlight reel of this? Do we care about any? I don't give a fuck about this. I know you don't. This Indian tested the new GPT-5. Holy shit, you did?